Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And in this video, I am going to be applying this spooky nail set I got from Temu. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got these nails in one of my previous Temu hauls about a month ago because I was preparing for Halloween season way in advance. It's one of my favorite times of the year. So let's get into these nails. I am sizing my nails to make sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall, and my nail beds are completely covered with no spaces or gaps in between. And just look at these nails, y'all. The quality, it's the quality for me because look how well made they are. The tips of the nails are very firm towards the middle to the tip, very flexible at the cuticle. They have a nice curve to them. They're not flat, they are not thin. I don't even have to do too much to these nails like you would have to do with some press-on nails. So this is going to be a really easy application. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my e-file and file the underside of the press-on nails. And I'm just filing the part that's going to adhere to my natural nails. So you don't have to file the whole length of the nail, but you see how shiny the nail was at first. If you look at the tip, you can see how shiny it is compared to how I just roughened that surface up, and that is what's going to help the glue stick really good to your natural nails. And then I'm also going to roughen the surface of my natural nail. So you always want to make sure you roughen the surface of your natural nails and the underside of the press-on nail, because that's what's really going to help hold your nails and help your nails to last a week or more. I always end up taking my nails off after about a week, but if you want to wear your nails a week or more, this step is very important. So after you knock that shine off, spray your natural nails with some alcohol, or you can also apply a nail dehydrator to further dehydrate your nails. And now it's time to put them on. So I'm using this nail glue that I got from Temu. It is a brush on nail glue, and it's really easy to use. As you can see, I am applying a nice bubble of glue on my natural nails. You want to make sure you're putting enough glue so that when you press that nail down, you can see that glue spread all over your nail. And press down and hold for 30 seconds. And also press down and hold against your side walls so that your nail has full coverage. And boom, just like that, the nail is on. I did have a little bit of spillage on my thumb, but all I did was wipe my thumb down with some alcohol and some cuticle oil, and the nail was good. So now we're moving on to the next nail, and you can kind of see a little bit better how I'm applying the glue with this angle. And then you want to line that press-on nail up with your cuticle. Press down and hold, and do not lift that nail up. Continue to press and hold for 30 seconds, making sure you're pressing down against your side walls as well. So let's talk about this set though. So this set is definitely giving all the Halloween vibes. We got Oogie Boogie on the middle finger. That spider bling on my index finger is just everything. I love the orange color. These nails are really glossy and shiny, so I don't even have to apply a layer of top coat, but you can do that if you want to. But when the nails come already glossed and thick, I just leave them as they are because, I mean, you don't have to really do nothing extra. And I love a set that I don't have to do too much extra too. So this set is good for the girls that don't really want to do too much to a nail set. Just put it on. That's all you got to do is grab you some glue and put it on. That's what I love about this set. Super easy application. The nails do not come with the nail glue, but Temu has the nail glue, and that's the one that I used in this video. And I will link these nails and the glue in the description of this video. Look how bomb this set came out, y'all. So cute. And the only thing that I have to do now is add my cuticle oil, because y'all already know, if you've been following my channel, I don't play about having dry, crusty cuticles. That's just a no. So if you're watching this video right now, look at your cuticles. Are they dry? Go ahead and grab you some cuticle oil and oil your cuticles. I will leave this oil in the description of this video as well. It is also from Temu. It's strawberry scented and it smells so good. Smells just like strawberries. And it really is a good cuticle oil. It definitely keeps my cuticles hydrated and moisturized. And I just rub it into my cuticles and my fingers. And this is the finished look of the nails. Look how bomb these nails are, y'all. I didn't even have to do too much to them. So y'all better head on over to Temu and get you some. That nail glue is bomb. Of course, I had to do the test to make sure that they were nice and sturdy. And yes, they are. These nails are not going anywhere. They'll definitely be lasting a week or more. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.